Hey, I hope y'all are doing good. I'm doing good. As you see, we have another baby here. Video, if you have not seen it, you need to go back and find my watermelon stick video that I did. And I named my watermelon Lily. So this is another Lily. I'm not changing the names. Watermelons are Lily to me. That's their name, okay? So we're going to start out with, you first want to wash your baby. You want to wash Lily. And you want to make sure she's clean, because when we go to cut Lily, you do not want to drag any bacteria or debris or germs into your watermelon. So the first thing I want to do is I want to cut this in half. So I'm going to get that going. And it may take a while, but we'll get there. I can cut into the board and not my table. Okay, so I'm going to pop this open. Alright, so we got Lily broke up into halves. So we got two halves, two pieces. And then I'm going to cut that half into a half, okay? So now what I want to do now is I want to, let's see, how do I want to do this? I want to turn Lily on her side, and I'm going to cut some sections. And you can cut it however you want, but you want to cut sections. Like this right here, that's going to be trash. But you want to cut her in probably 1-inch slices, because I'm doing, like I said, I'm doing watermelon chips. I don't know if I told y'all that in the beginning of the video. Today I'm doing watermelon chips. In my last video I did watermelon sticks. So I like bite-sized pieces when I eat my watermelon. So that's what we're going to do. We're going to get these cut-ups into wedges, and I'm going to show y'all what we're going to do. Okay, so I got my wedges cut. What you want to do now, I'm using to make my chips, I'm using a regular circle cookie cutter. So this is what I'm using. One of my subscribers gave me this as well. So you're just going to find a place on the wedge, and you're going to press in. Twist. Move your chip out. Different sizes, so I'm not wasting any watermelon. I am going to use this little bitty one to make a smaller chip. I'm going to twist it and slide out the chip. So these are about 1 inch thick. So depending on, you know, how you want them, and these little pieces I'm just going to throw over here to the side, because that's going to be, it's not going to be thrown away. It's just going in another little bowl. And then this is going into the scrap. So I'm going to do another one. Alright, I'm taking another wedge, and I'm going to stick it in, twist it, pull out, pop it. I'm going to do some more. And I'm doing different sizes because I don't want to waste the watermelon. So that's why. So I'm just cutting them out. And that's what I got. Okay, I got all the watermelon cut up, y'all. I'm so happy with the way my watermelon chips turned out. I got some thick, I got some thin. Oh my gosh. Let's try one of my chips. This one was a good one. It's not that deep red that I was looking for, but it's sweet. It's not the sweetest one I've had, but it's doable. And I've had it for about a week now, letting it just rest and right, but it's sweet. It's not super sweet. But I just wanted to show y'all how to make watermelon chips. And they are so easy. All you need is a cookie cutter, different sizes if you want, and throw the scraps in a bowl. Don't throw those away. I hope y'all have a good day. Take care of your family. Eat something good. I'll see y'all in the next video. Don't forget to like and